Ingredients. Sap from sugar maple trees. You'll need about 40 gallons of sap to produce 1 gallon of syrup. Equipment. Tapping kit, spiles, drill, and buckets or bags for collecting sap. Large evaporator pan or shallow stainless steel pots. Thermometer. Cheesecloth or syrup filter. Glass jars or bottles for storage. Instructions. 1. Tap the trees. 1. In early spring, when temperatures are above freezing during the day and below freezing at night, tap your sugar maple trees. 2. Drill a hole into the trunk of each tree and insert a spile to collect the sap. 3. Hang a bucket or attach a bag to each spile to collect the sap as it flows out. 2. Collect the sap. 1. Collect the sap from the buckets or bags daily and transfer it to a large storage container. 3. Boil the sap. 1. Pour the sap into a large evaporator pan or shallow stainless steel pots. 2. Heat the sap over a high heat source, such as a wood-fired evaporator or a large propane burner, to boil off the water content. This process can take several hours, and you'll need to keep adding fresh sap as it boils down. 3. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature of the boiling sap. The syrup is ready when it reaches 219 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Celsius. 4. Filter the syrup. 1. Once the syrup reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the heat. 2. Filter the hot syrup through cheesecloth or a syrup filter to remove any impurities. 5. Bottle the syrup. 1. Pour the filtered syrup into sterilized glass jars or bottles while it is still hot. 2. Seal the jars or bottles with airtight lids. 6. Store the syrup. 1. Allow the syrup to cool to room temperature before storing it in a cool, dark place. 2. Refrigerate the syrup after opening.